Hey, what's up guys? Rolando here, Credit Coach, with another episode of Ask Credit Coach Exposed. And this week, I talked to a lender who has a client named Justin who wants to buy a home but has no credit. But better yet, check out the call. Jesse, is Rolando, Credit Coach. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you so much. Hey, really quick here, I want to talk to you about Justin. He sent me that report that has no credit whatsoever, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, so I don't know if you got my email saying that we can definitely add a training that would help boost the credit scores. Yeah, so this client, because he has no credit whatsoever, adding a trade line would definitely put you above that 680, possibly even over 700. The reason that there's nothing negative on the credit report, so adding a trade line would definitely boost the credit scores exactly where you need them, and much higher as well.
Yeah, so we had him open up a credit card like last month, and he already paid it on the balance, but we're just waiting for the score to show.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes it'll take up anywhere between 4 to 6 months because the trade line needs enough activity to be able to generate a credit score. Very rarely does it give a credit score within the first 30 days because there's not enough data there just yet.
Yeah. Got it. So we'll be able to expedite that and get it in the 14 days?
Correct, yes.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, let me go ahead and just get the thumbs up from them so we can get this going.
Okay, perfect. Any questions, let me know.
Sounds good.
You got it. All right, buddy. Take care. Bye-bye. All right, so we have a client there, that a lender who has a credit report, but the client has no credit whatsoever. The client did go and open a secured credit card, but because the account is too new, there's not going to be any history, which there's not enough data to be able to generate a credit score, which that's the long-term strategy. The short-term is adding a trade line because there's no derogatory accounts there. That's going to boost the credit score to possibly even 720 or higher. They only need a 640, but why settle for less when they can get something much, much higher? All right, guys, so you heard the phone call with the lender. What we're going to be doing is adding a trade line that will help boost the credit score. If you don't know what a trade line is, look at my Ask Credit Coach episode 76, where I break down what an authorized user is. Now, this will take about 2 to 3 weeks to happen. And once it does, the client will have the FICO score needed for them to be able to proceed with the purchase of their home. So I'll recap and touch base with you guys in about 2 to 3 weeks about the end result about Justin. See you guys soon.